Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the security. Now we have to scroll down to find encryption and credentials, and as you can see almost at the very bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on clear credentials and simply confirm it with OK. And as you can see the credential storage has been erased successfully, so here we've got also the evidence because we cannot tap on this option again. No worries if your device will ask you to enter the PIN pattern on pass or password, so simply your screen lock. It is because it just wants you to confirm your decision. So basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.